Restaurant orders getting hard to manage? Meet Airo Restaurant POS, a simple Shopify POS app built for cafes, restaurants, and food businesses. With this app, you can manage kitchen stations, staff members, order routing, modifiers, receipts, and order tracking, all in one place. Now let's set it up step by step. First, here are the 5 main steps to create your POS and kitchen display system. Step number 1, create your first station. Step number 2, add staff members. Step number 3, configure routing rules. Step number 4, test with a sample order. Step number 5, install the POS extension. Now let's start with the app dashboard. On the left side, you can see different sections: kitchen stations, collections, modifiers, staff, settings, and pricing. First, let's create a kitchen station. Click on Kitchen Stations. Now click on Add Station. Enter the station name. For example, you can name it Kitchen, Grill, Fryer, Drinks Counter, or any station according to your restaurant workflow. You can also select the physical location if your store has multiple locations. After entering the station details, click on Save. Now your kitchen station has been created. Next, let's move to the Collection section. Click on Collections from the left menu. Here you will see the collections that are already synced from your Shopify catalog. If you want to sync a new collection that is not already connected with the POS system, click on Add Mapping. From here, you can select the collection and map it with the POS or kitchen workflow. For example, if you have a fast food collection, you can sync it here so those items can be used inside your restaurant POS system. After selecting the collection, save the mapping. Now let's move to the Modifiers section. Modifiers are used when customers want to customize their order. For example, extra onions, extra cheese, no onions, less spicy, no sugar, or any other custom option. To create a modifier, click on Modifiers. Now enter the modifier name. For example, I am adding a modifier called Add Onions. Now set the price for this modifier. For example, if a customer wants extra onions and you want to charge $1 for it, you can set the price to $1. Next, choose where this modifier should apply. For example, if this modifier is only for fast food items, select your fast food collection. After selecting the collection, click on Save. Now the new modifier has been added successfully. Next, let's add staff members. Click on Staff from the left menu. Now click on Add Staff Member. Enter the staff member name. You can also enter the email address if you want, but this is optional. Now set a KDS access PIN for this staff member. Make sure the PIN is unique and not already used by another staff member. This PIN will be used when the staff member wants to access the POS or kitchen display system. After entering the details, click on Save. Now your staff member has been added successfully. Next, let's go to Settings. In Settings, you can configure how your POS and kitchen display system works. Here you can set the KDS display mode. You can choose Kanban view or list view. Kanban view is useful when you want to manage orders in different stages like new, preparing, ready, and completed. You can also choose where the order type option should appear, at the top or bottom of the screen. Next, you can choose whether order type should apply to the full order or individual items. You can also enable sound alerts so your kitchen staff gets notified when a new order arrives. Now scroll down to the Customer Experience section. Here you can enable customer receipts. You can also enable auto print so receipts can print automatically when an order is marked as ready. You can also enable order notes so kitchen notes and allergy warnings can appear on the order ticket or receipt. Next, you can see QR order tracking. This allows customers to track their order status using a QR code. The tracking URL is already added here, and the order ID will automatically be added in place of the placeholder. Now scroll down to POS configuration. Here you can set the number of tables for dine-in orders. For example, if your restaurant has 10 tables, you can set the number of tables to 10. If you have more tables, you can increase this number according to your restaurant setup. You can also configure routing rules. Routing rules help send orders automatically to the correct kitchen station. For example, pizza can go to the kitchen station, drinks can go to the drink station, fries can go to the fryer station, You can also configure printer devices if you want to connect thermal printers or receipt printers. If you ever face permission or sync issues, you can use Refresh Permissions or Repair and Sync from the Settings page.
Now let's move to the mobile POS setup. First of all, make sure you have installed the required POS app on your mobile phone or tablet. Open the POS app. When you open it for the first time, you will need to enter a PIN. The first PIN you enter will be used to set up access, so make sure you remember it for next time. Now inside the POS app, click on Add Tile. Then click on App. Here you will see the apps connected with your Shopify POS. Select Airo Restaurant POS. Once the app tile is added, you can access it directly from your POS screen. Now you will see your synced collections and products inside the POS. Select the collection you want to order from. For example, I am selecting a food collection. Now select the product. For example, I am selecting pizza. After selecting the item, you will see the available modifiers. If the customer wants extra onions, select the Add Onions modifier that we created earlier. Now you will see options like Add to Cart or Add More, add the item to the cart. Next, you can enter the customer name if required. This is optional. You can also add an order note, for example, extra spicy, no onions, or any special instruction from the customer. Next, select the order type. You can choose dine-in, takeaway, or delivery. If you select dine-in, you can also select the table number. For example, if this order is for table 5, select table 5. After completing the order details, click on Fire Order to Kitchen. Now the order will be sent to the kitchen display system. Next, go back to the kitchen dashboard, open the kitchen action screen, enter the staff pin that we created earlier. Now you will see the order that was sent from the POS. Kitchen staff can now manage the order status. If the order is not ready yet, it can stay in pending or preparing status. If the kitchen is busy, the order can also be delayed. Once the order is prepared, mark it as ready. After the order is completed, you can archive it. This helps keep the kitchen dashboard clean and organized. So this is the complete setup and workflow of Airo Restaurant POS. That's all for this tutorial. If you want more tutorials about apps, comment below. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.